Let me love you, Carmelita. Let me kiss and hold you tight. Must have been for some affection from your direction, night after night. Let me love you, Carmelita. You don't know what I go through. I not found the way I'm thirsty. My heart is bursting with love for you. Did your mother ever tell you that it isn't right to kiss? Man, and you're a woman. It's only human. You wanna squeeze. Let me love you, Carmelita. Just one tender kiss and then I will bet I'm on your pillow, on your seesaw, you'll kiss again. Did your mother ever tell you that it isn't right to kiss? I'm a man and you're a woman, it's only human to want to kiss. Far across the blue water, away over yonder, by the bank of the old river ride, where love her, but I can't forget her. I miss my pretty Roline. Roline, Roline, look out towards the heaven. It's night when the stars to shine by the same stars above you. I swear that I love you. You are my pretty Roline. One more chance, one more chance. All you ask is one more chance to break my heart. There is wasn't very long ago that you go and meant to hold romance. Now I find you come back crying tears. Give me one more chance, one more chance, one more chance. All you ask is one more chance to break my heart. Though you cry, now you cry, and then, or I'll never take you back again. I'm not a fool I was before. I don't want you anymore. Last song. I'll be loving you eternally. Well, a love that's true eternally. From the start, within my heart it seemed I'd always know the sun would shine when you were mine and mine alone. I'll be loving you eternally. There be no one new matter for me. Through the sky would fall, remember I shall always be forever true and loving you eternally. I'll be loving you eternally. There be no one new, mother for me. Through the sky would fall, remember I shall always be forever true and loving you eternally.
Ginalingan para uwi na kami. Uwi na tayo.
Okay.
Baba na tayo. Ginalingan ni Tay Chris.
Okay, back to you, Ate Ann, co-host. Salamat.
Thank you so much, Tay Chris.
Hello guys. Panoorin nyo ang magjowa. May close pa ang kanilang mga kamay. Nakahawak ang kanilang mga kamay na mayroong ngiti sa labi. Ang galing. Magandang babae, beautiful girl, and beautiful boy, puging-pugi. Si Edo at si Miss Beyonce. Kita naman niyo. Talagang bagay na bagay silang dalawa. O, diba? Saan ka pa? Sana maging maganda ang inyong karir. Pagpatuloy lang ninyo ang mga minimithi ninyo. Si Edo, isang vlogger, charity. At si Beyonce naman, tuloy lang ang kanyang pag-aaral. At sana matupad mo rin ang iyong pangarap bago ka mag-asawa. Okay. Hanggang dito na lang at sana ay pagpalain kayo ng poong may kapal na maging kayo hanggang sa huli. Ika nga, may kasabihan, nasa sa inyo kung magkakaroon kayo ng forever. Abangan na lang natin ang panahon at ang bukas na magaganap sa buhay ninyo. Okay, bye-bye. Peace. Bye.